how to add multiple pictures in one story on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple pictures in one story on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Instagram app, then go to stories, and now here you have to first click a picture or select a picture from your gallery. It can be any picture you want as a background of your multiple pictures in one story. So let me select a picture from my gallery. So for example, I'm gonna select this picture as a background of my story. And now to add multiple pictures, you have to tap on stickers here in the top. Then here scroll down a little bit and you will see a sticker like this. Tap on it and it will open your phone's gallery, and from here select the pictures you want to add on your story. Then so for example, I'm just going to select this picture again, and you can move it anywhere and resize it. And then to add another picture, you have to again tap on your stickers and then again tap on this sticker and select the picture from your gallery you want to add, and you can again resize it and move it anywhere you want. And you can see I have added 2 pictures. So this is how you can add multiple pictures in one story on your Instagram. Thanks for watching.